So welcome to another video. It's Friday the 27th of December 2024 and I've just come back to Clough Hall Park and we're going to have a look if it's still shut, and yeah, it is. So it still hasn't reopened after the tornado went through, which is 3 weeks ago. Let's have a look through the gate there. It's a very, very, very misty day today. Very cold as well. It's been like this now for the last 2 days. We haven't seen any sunshine, so it's been really, really miserable, both Boxing Day and today, really. We'll have a look if there's been any change, if they've cut anything else down in the park. So we'll go have a look at that now, and then we'll go have a look at the church, see if they've pulled the branch off the tree. The branch tree off the church at the moment. So as we have a look in the park, we can see where they have been cutting trees down. Can't believe it still isn't open. I don't know how long now they are going to keep it closed for before they reopen it again. Got more trees there cut down. As you can see. This amazes me as well, this Kidsgrove Athletic Football Club bus. Been parked here now for 3 weeks as I know of, and it's never ever moved. I'll have another look in the park just here now, and then, like I say, we'll head down towards the church. See the daffodils actually starting to pop up there now as well. So this Kidsgrove Athletic bus, it's massive. But like I say, it's sat there now for 3 weeks that I know of, and never moved, and it's got tape around it there. I don't know why they've taped it off there. It's very weird. You say it's a massive, massive bus. So we're on Park Avenue in Kidsgrove, and like I say, we're going to walk down now to the main road and just go have a look at the church. I don't think we'll go along boat horse today because the weather is really, really poor. It's not nice, but we will see what we can see at the church. So I've just had a look at the temperature, and it is only showing 1 degree. So no wonder I feel really cold as I start walking down here today. I don't know whether this mist will clear. Coming onto the main road here now, and as we go round the corner, the church is directly in front of me. Let's keep on going and let's go have a look and just see what sort of condition and what's happened over the last week. So like I say, it's 3 weeks now since this tornado come tearing through. It was on the Thursday night, which was last night. So that 3 weeks has soon gone. Let's have a look how much cleaning up's been done in that period of time. I'm getting here now, and to be honest with you, it doesn't look like much has happened at all in the last week here. Still branches all over the place. All branches all over the grass. It looks like an absolute mud bath at the scene, and it does look like the tree is still in the building. Looks like somebody's been cutting logs there, look. There's all fresh sawdust. Looks like a lot of cars or trailers have mounted up the grass here, and there's a lot of fresh sawdust there in all the mud as well. And look how muddy the ground actually is there. But yeah, it looks like somebody's brought a chainsaw or something there and been cutting branches there. Look at all the branches there is there, and I didn't notice the other week, but look at that massive tree actually lying on the ground there. It's huge, absolutely huge. It's like the big one that has fell into the church. Doesn't it look miserable when it's so grey as well? And look at all the mess still here on the pavement. They've done nothing here at all. What are the council playing at? Why don't they come and start getting this area cleaned up a little bit? It does look, to be honest with you, like they have been cutting at this tree that's in the church as well. Let's have a look. There's branches cut there now. So yeah, they have been sawing at it there. I don't know whether that's the owner from the church who's been doing that or what, but yeah, there's great big branches actually cut off there. Look, if you have a look at that. But you can see where it uprooted there and just unfortunately fell straight across on the church here. We've got a great big sign there, like a road traffic sign as well, that's been absolutely flattened. I don't know what that used to say. But let's have a look at the church. So we've still got a great big branch actually stuck into the side wall there. Look, if you have a look at that, that's stuck in the side wall there of the church. But they have cut a lot of the branches off, and you can now see where we've zoomed in there, the actual damage there is on the corner of the church there. And it's all started from the top, so if you have a look at the chimney at the top, it looks like it caught it there and it actually slid down the wall there. And don't forget, that tree, when it fell, the weight on it would have been absolutely colossal. So I suppose the church has done well there to actually take the brunt of that and not all the side wall actually cave in. Amazing. Let's just go a little bit further down here now and have a look at it there. And if we have a look here, look at all the rubbish in the churchyard and all the branches and trees, and you can see all the bricks that have come off the building line on the floor there as well. But just look at the fallen tree from this perspective here. It's absolutely colossal. It's there all cornered off with tape, so you say they've definitely been chopping at the big tree there. So I'm going to have to say to you again, in another week we're probably going to have to come back and have another look here and just see if anything else has been done. I'll start heading back this way now here, and we'll have a look again here at all the mess there is. Like I say, all the footpath and all the grass verge here just looks an absolute disgrace still. And there's still loads and loads and loads of logs. You could come here and you could get enough logs for your log fire for last you a really, really good while. I don't know when they can cut more of that tree down and take it off the side of the building there. Like I say, that's something we'll have to probably look at again next week and see if they have done any more. I think this sign was something to do with the school caution when the lights were flashing. I don't know exactly where it was situated, but I think it was like a school warning light, warning that there was children about when them lights were actually flashing. So let's have a look here again as we walk up. And like I say, look at the state of the ground. You can't think this used to be a nice grassed area, can you? It's just absolutely devastated. And look at the open view now. You can't think just over 3 weeks ago the woods there were dense, but they're absolutely ripped to shreds now with the tornado that shot through here. It's amazing. Like I say, it'd just look better if they just tried to tidy it up a little bit and move this rubbish and clear these grass verges and clear the pavement, so the pavement was a little bit cleaner and tidier. So I think I will say to you now, I will bring you another update next week, because they have started doing some work and moving that tree there. So we'll probably come back next Friday and we'll have another look, see if anything else has been done and whether that tree's completely gone from the church. We'll have to see. But it's just a devastating area. And again, I'm going to go on about this grass verge. Look at the state of it here. What a mess. What a mess. And all the extent of the trees and the leaves down still are going on. Up here we've got a tree there that looks like somebody's been chopping, and they've had quite a lot of firewood from themselves. But look at the trees, how they just stripped here. Look at that one there. Just amazing how it's just absolutely torn it apart there. Like I say, the park still shut. If anybody from the council is watching this video, drop me a comment and tell me how long you intend to keep the park closed, because that's, an icon of Kidsgrove really, and it really needs to be open. 3 weeks now shut. That's been a long time. So there we go. We'll end this video here now today. Hope you've enjoyed this update we've done on the mini tornado here in Kidsgrove. Like I say, we will come back next week and have another look, see what the situation is. So if you have enjoyed the video, please like, please share, and of course please subscribe. And we'll see you again soon on the next video. wherever that may be. Thanks for watching.